In this video, we're going to talk about explicit animations. Explicit animations are the animations which you can control. Let me give you an example. If you want to drive a car, you need to have a driver. Without a driver, you won't be able to drive that car. Similarly, if you want to drive an animation, you need to have an animation controller. Let me show you in the code. To create an animation controller, you need to use single ticker provider state mixing. If you want to create multiple animation controllers, then you need to use ticker provider state mixing. In this video, I'm going to use single ticker provider state mixing because I'm going to create a single animation controller. Inside the init state method, I'm going to create instance of the animation controller. This animation controller requires us to pass vsync. So what is this vsync? Vsync is ticker provider. If you want to know more about vsync, you can check out this video. Here I'm going to pass this, which is the instance of the state class. Also, I'm going to pass the duration 2 seconds. By default, the value of lower bound and the upper bound is 0 and 1. For now, I'm going to keep those values as it is. To start this animation controller, I'm going to use forward. To consume values generated by the animation controller, I'm going to use animated builder. I'm going to animate this little green box from here to the center of the screen. For this, I'm going to update the values of the alignment. Let me hot start. So we have successfully created our first explicit animation. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to know more about Flutter, you can subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.